covering news that matters. Fox 23 News at 9 starts right now.
Tulsa now has 2 hospitals that earned level 1 trauma center verification just in the last few months. Big news for anyone facing a medical emergency here locally. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Shay Rozzi.
And I'm Nathan Thompson, and it's a big improvement from recent stats when Oklahoma was among the lowest ranked states for the number of level 1 trauma centers per capita. Fox 23's Paris Rain joins us live in the newsroom after talking to both Ascension-St-John and St. Francis about the impact this has for all of Green Country.
That's right, Nathan and Shay. This is a huge deal, and both hospitals told me they got their 3-year level 1 certifications this year. I was able to speak with a surgeon who says having a level 1 trauma center is a huge deal and helps Tulsans tremendously. Ascension-St-John and St. Francis announced their certification as level 1 trauma centers this year, making history in the Tulsa healthcare system and bringing a new support to those in Green Country when they need it most.
It's a wonderful thing for us to have a trauma center that is verified by the American College of Surgeons in Tulsa, because we provide the highest level of trauma care to our patients. We're verified by an outside source that sort of proves our ability to take care of patients from the time they hit the emergency room to the time they're discharged from the hospital.
Dr. Rachel Tyler with Ascension-St-John says they had been a level 2 trauma center since 2009.
So we've always been here to provide that resource for our community and for our patients. And the push to go to a level 1 was to really provide that highest level of care. And what helped us cross over the finish line was our work in research that we have been able to perform here at Ascension-St-John.
To become a level 1 trauma center, she says you essentially have to be certified by the American College of Surgeons, meeting their criteria and having a partnership with the medical school group.
Is, I think, a real testament to the team at St. Francis, the partnership with Oklahoma State, and the support that we've had from the Oklahoma legislature to give us the resources we need to make this sustainable over time.
I spoke with G.T. Bynum with St. Francis, which is the other level 1 trauma center in Tulsa.
Anybody who has somebody they love in eastern Oklahoma should be excited about this, because you never know when you're going to need a level 1 trauma center until the minute you need it. And when you have somebody that you love that needs that center, you want them to get the best care that they can possibly get. And now we have independent verification that they can get that here at St. Francis.
He says they have spent a decade in recruiting specialists to the hospital, and this certification is something they have been working towards for years.
That has a dramatic improvement on outcomes for people who've experienced trauma, who've been in an accident and need assistance. And we think it's going to save a lot of lives here in the Tulsa area and all of eastern Oklahoma.
Both hospital systems say they are committed to providing this new entity to Tulsans who need it and are proud to be able to provide this all-around 24/7 care. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.